So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to edit text font here in the Notes app. So if I were to go ahead and just type in text font right here, it's not going to be anything crazy. It's going to be the default font. So if you want to go ahead and edit it, you can highlight the text. You can right click it right here. You can then scroll down to where there's a bunch of different options right here. So you can go font right here and press on show font. Another way you can do it as well is just to go to the file, press format right here, press font, press show font. You can also go ahead and do it that way. So when you're on this screen, I'll just go ahead and make it a little bit larger for you guys so it's easier to see. If you want to change the font right here, so you can go ahead and view the type of fonts here. So you can sort of see the category. You can scroll down. So if you want maybe like a fun font, you can go ahead and kind of edit it this way. So let's just say I want my font to look like this. And you can also go ahead and change the style of it this way. And you can also change the color if you want as well to whatever you're looking for. So if that looks good, you can go ahead and exit it this way. And now you've now changed the font on the Notes app. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to change the text font or how to edit the text font on Notes. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.